How to apply for Payoneer account in Pakistan. Assalamualaikum, my name is Waqas Younas and today video is about how to apply for Payoneer account. What is Payoneer? Payoneer is a widely used online money transfer solution that has eased the lives of millions of freelancers and entrepreneurs. It has also changed the lives of many Pakistani freelancers who use it on a daily basis. Pakistani freelancers and store owners receive payments through Payoneer, which is very easy to use and secure. In fact, Payoneer has become the main payment method for Pakistanis to receive online earning because PayPal does not support Pakistan. And that's why I have decided to guide you about creating a Payoneer account in Pakistan. How does Payoneer work? Payoneer is an online payment solution where users can create an account and once approved, they will receive a virtual bank account. Using that account, the user can receive payments in their Payoneer account. Users can attach their local banks to Payoneer in order to withdraw the money to their local banks. One can also apply for a Payoneer debit card. But nowadays, that's an optional step. How to create a Payoneer account in Pakistan? Here is the step-by-step guide to apply for a Payoneer account in Pakistan and receive your first payment without any hassle. You have to remember that Payoneer is mainly used for receiving payments from freelancing sites such as Upwork, Fiverr, Udemy, etc. It's also very frequently used by Amazon sellers who receive their payments in Pakistan. I have mentioned the Payoneer referral link in the description. If you join Payoneer through this link, you will receive $25 as a bonus. But you must first receive at least $100 in your Payoneer account before getting the $25 reward from Payoneer. Basic requirements for Payoneer account in Pakistan. Before creating the account, you will need to meet the basic requirements to be eligible to use the Payoneer payment system. Number 1. Be over 18 years. Have a valid CNIC. Have a bank account, a phone number, a valid email address. These are the basic requirements for creating a new Payoneer account in Pakistan. Once you click the link up below, you will see this page like that. Add your personal information such as first name, last name, email address, and birth date. You must enter everything correctly and the original information that is written on your CNIC. Select individual and click next. You will see this screen where you have to add your contact information including phone number and complete address. This is very important because you will receive your card and other Payoneer documents at this address and you will have to verify it later on. You will receive a verification code on your mobile number before clicking the next button. You have to add security details such as username, password, and a security question on the screen. This is very important at this. This is the sensitive information for your account. You should select a strong password for this. After completing this step, you will click next and you will see the final page of the registration process. Here at the final stage, you will need to add your bank account details. The bank should be in your name. Later on, you will have to add a photo ID to verify your name and account. That's it. And you have successfully created your Payoneer account in Pakistan. Once you complete the registration process, you will have to wait so that Payoneer can approve your account. How to use the Payoneer account? You can add up to 3 bank accounts in your Payoneer account dashboard. After activating your account, you can also send money to anyone with a Payoneer card. You can withdraw your money to the local bank you have attached to Payoneer, and you will receive that within a few hours to a few days. Furthermore, you can receive payment from companies in the United States, UK, European Union, Canada, and Japan using a global payment service, which is a great way to receive money online. That's all. If you have any questions, then do let us know in the comments, and I will help you out with the solutions related to make money online. Thanks a lot. See you in next video with a new topic. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.